Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most common problems in Google Gemini's Nano Banana image tool, that when your generates picture doesn't follow the aspect ratio that you set. And don't worry, I have got a super simple trick to make it work perfectly every time. So let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini in your browser or app, and then just log in with your Google account, and then just activate the Nano Banana feature. You can just tap on tools and then create images. This is Google's latest AI tool for editing and generating images instantly with just a prompt. Next, now let me show you the problem. Earlier, I tried to expand this picture into a 16:9 ratio, but the result is completely ignored my command. And then I tested again with other ratio like 9:16 like this, and it's still not accurate. So how do we fix it? Here's the trick. Step 1, just prepare a blank background image with the aspect ratio that you want. For example, I have created a simple black 16:9 background, and then just upload this blank image together with the photo that you want to edit. I will just demonstrate it on new tab, and then first just tap on create image, and then upload your blank background and then the picture that you want to edit. Like this, and then just type your prompt, write something like this. And here's the key trick. Use like this on your prompt. Use the second picture or the blank picture as the reference for the final result, for the final aspect ratio. Just type like this on your prompt, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, the result is finally in the correct aspect ratio. It's perfect, right? And then let's try another example. This time I will creating a brand new image. I will upload the blank background again and write a prompt like this. For example like this, and then just tap on generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this, a futuristic town in exact 16:9 format, has a little black bars, but I think it's okay. The result is good. And okay, that's it. That's how you fix the aspect ratio issue on in Google Gemini Nano Banana tool. Super easy and works every single time. Okay, if you this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.